Marami na nagiging tanga sa mundo, wag na tayo maging isa. That is why today I'm going to teach you how to be an intellectual human being. Minsan nakakalimutan natin na meron palang maunang word bago yung human, intellectual. So, let's define intellectual first. The ability to think and understand things, or especially complicated things. So, I want you to treat yourself with a certain level of respect. So, treat yourself as a varsity player. Ano ba ginagawa ng mga varsity player bago lumaro sa liga? They train. They practice the basics, kinocondition nila yung sarili nila, building the chemistry, building a strong foundation first sa loob ng training court nila. And I think we need to treat our minds the same way. Because bro, ang dami na natin kinoconsume na media. Pagkagising natin, phone. Pagka kain natin, phone. Habang kumakain, phone. Habang nasa CR, nag-phone tayo, nagpapatugtog. Basically, yung default natin, nagiging default natin is to distract ourselves. Tapos, magtataka tayo, hindi tayo makakapagbasa ng 10 pages or 1 chapter. First, before you try to consume more information, I think we need to learn how to pay attention. You know, start simple. Go outside. Maglakad ka, magpa-araw ka. Hindi ka na naarawan, pare. Drink water. Take care of your body. Stop vaping, stop smoking, stop drinking alcohol. And also, kapag maglalakad ka sa labas, try not to bring your headphones. Huwag ka magdala ng phone. No music, no podcast, no constant stimulation. You know, just walk and observe. Ano yung nakikita mo, naririnig mo, naamoy mo, ano yung nararamdaman mo. Just be present. Because everything is fighting for your attention. You know, YouTube, Instagram, X, Facebook, yung platform kung saan mo ito pinapanood. But I'm not saying social media is bad. Gumagawa nga ako content eh. But your attention has value. So learn how to take some of it back. Pagkatapos nun, try to consume with intention. What do I mean by intention? Try to read a book. Listen to a podcast. Watch a documentary. Or find someone talking about something that you don't understand yet. But I want you to actually pay attention. Hindi porket nanonood ka ng podcast or nakikinig ka ng podcast, nag-doom scroll ka sa TikTok. Tapos magbabasa ka ng libro, tapos sino-check mo yung Instagram, magre-reply ka sa tao. Then, inisip mo, bakit wala ka maalala? Do one thing at a time. Even if it's only for 10, 30 minutes. After that, get a piece of paper, then a pen. Mag-journal ka. I've been promoting this thing for a while now. Research suggests that expressing your thoughts and emotions, expressive writing, can help you increase your self-awareness and also regulate your emotions and regulate your stress. So, write about what you learned. Write about what you disagree with. What are you thinking? Hindi naman, basta mag-journal ka. Kung ano maisip mo, sulat mo kagad. Kasi you're practicing how to take something inside your head and actually articulating it. And if you can't do this all immediately, okay lang yun. That's fine. That's why, remember, varsity player ka. Ang una yung ginagawa is mag-training talaga. Kaya nga may day 1. You don't have to become good after one session. Kaya practice. You just build the routine. Practice. Basically, what I'm trying to do with also myself, i-rebuild natin yung foundations. You know, the ability to stay still, to focus, and yung attention mo, doon lang sa bagay na yun. Understand something. Think for myself, for yourself also. Maybe we just don't need to constantly consume more information. We just need to become better at handling information na pumapasok na sa utak natin. Give yourself some time. Train your attention. Take care of yourself. Learn, write, think, and slowly become the person who knows how to take care of their mind. Yourself. Yeah, basically that's it. Just do the things na kailangan mong gawin. Alam mo naman dapat mong gawin eh. Just do it. Inaagaw na yung attention natin ng social media. You get it? Alright. That's it. I love you all. Peace out.